Thank you for purchasing the Airrex LT self-propelled wheelchair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very best out of your new CareCo product. Your Airrex self-propelled wheelchair should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape surrounding the box with a pair of scissors or a knife. Once the box is open, simply lift the chair out by the handles. You'll also find a small box containing the footrests. Simply set this aside for now. Remove any excess packaging, then grip the handlebars to open up the wheelchair frame. Fold up the backrest to keep it straight. You'll hear a click when the backrest is locked fully. By applying the hand brakes, you can prevent the chair from moving during assembly. Remove the foam padding with a pair of scissors, taking extra care to avoid scratching the metal frame. With your Airrex wheelchair, you should find a user manual, an Allen key and a small spanner. Please keep hold of these for further reference. Attach the footrests by simply popping the black plastic top into the frame. Please make sure the foot plates face inwards. These are now ready to swing away when necessary. To adjust the height of the footrest, loosen the screw on the back of the footrest using the Allen key. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any questions about the Airrex LT self-propelled wheelchair or its assembly, simply have a look on the website, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.